rear brake, slow it down, but that's it.
Yeah.
The pads look okay. These are manual, these are shitty rear brakes. Outside, homemade softail. But boy, I wrote it down here and like, holy crap. Cindy did the West Coast ride. She said, Brad, my rear brakes are going to crap. I said, oh, come on, but too rare.
Yeah, I wonder if we should change pad compound. This is a polished rotor,
Yeah.
so it should have an organic pad.
It needs something, because honestly, to bring it to a full stop with just a rear brake,
Yeah.
it's almost impossible.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Well, she melted her rain suit against this, right here, this part right here. You can see I had to do this just yesterday, you know.
It should
If you're wondering why, oh, it'll color.
It should color back.
Absolutely, yes. If you're wondering why that is not, it's because it had to do that. You know, those West Coast rides, they're hard on light. You see.
Yeah. So it just basically fell over.
No, well, not quite. We were on a West Coast ride at some real twisties in Idaho. We turned off on old Winchester Road, and they call it that because it hasn't been repaired in 40 years. And she got off onto the shoulder because two riders ahead of her slowed down. So she had to do something. So she got up on the shoulder, but the shoulder was sand. So she tipped it into a bush. This is from a tree.
Oh,
Okay. I don't think we could have
time to redo this.
So now we're thinking maybe we'll just repaint the whole thing. Because this has to be repainted.
Yeah, again.
Maybe it's time. She's looking at colors, needs your ideas, but she's looking at platinum. There's new shimmering 2 Gen 2 platinum also colors. And then maybe some graphic that's real much more simpler than this.
Okay.
So tear all this off, put it all back on, let's do something. Roughly, I don't expect it.
Yeah, and if you were to repaint it, you would be doing all of the
Cars, exactly.
cars.
Struts, you know. Although I didn't tell him we want to use pearl because that's more expensive. This bent, when she tipped it over, it all sent up with this one. The matching Cerakote bent one is in the swing arm bag.
Okay.
So when you take it to your Cerakote, you don't have to take a piece of this. Use that old one. You can match it up to the new one. Take this back. Yeah, I don't think the Cerakote is holding up really well. In fact, even when the lever bent, it's curved all the way back like a ram's horn. The Cerakote didn't crack or do anything.
Yeah. Right. So yeah, we got a new system, which is awesome.
I see, yeah.
This is a system that I'm familiar with, that I had in my shop.
Oh,
So
that helps a lot.
yeah, the outer fairing. You have to do the chin scoop.
That's the hard part. Yeah,
You went way up.
everything else is nickels and dimes. It's always the labor that fucking
Yeah,
gets you.
no, I know.
Yeah, just let me know. But if you want a Hector's contact, I can send it to you. You can go meet him. You don't have to.
Yeah.
They can grab the front brake and just wait. Hop, 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 kunk. You know, just she didn't get hurt or anything.
I'm gonna have to use a non-hook one. You can't get this hook through.
No. Perfect.
No, the
Steel
double
wool?
lot steel wool.
Oh, yeah.
Before
amazing.
Before I glued them in, I freaking
Yeah.
kind of went after them because there was like this one especially.
But I like it.
This
looks
this.
against the silver. It looks great.
This is my favorite.
Yeah.
Absolute favorite.
The spider web.
Yep.
It's great.
I love that.
It'll look Frankenstein underneath, but once the upholstery's back on it, you'll never notice it.
I love it, guys.
What are we doing
Yeah,
with
that's
this?
great.
Did you guys talk about this?
We're going to put Cindy on it in that same cursive as the custom. That makes sense.
CI, and you know, the old-fashioned way.
Who else? How else would you spell it?
So, a lot of people put an I on the end, CIMPI.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I was gonna say there's gonna need,
significantly wider
there's
than
gonna
this?
be something that needs to take up the space, yes.
Or just make, well, you can't make it longer. Oh, right here. Just like that, that's a 3/4 inch shim.
Double-sided tape. Yay.
Okay, so color match sport. So yours doesn't have the back? Give me my socket back. That looks fucking nice, dude. Look at that. That's race car shit right there. Yeah, okay. Use a leaner when it's all the way up.